So this is the last assignment that you'll complete for this Harlem Renaissance unit. Now that you have both read the poem Mother to Son and you've looked at some lyrics from the song Dear Mama, you're going to compare and contrast certain things in a Venn diagram. But instead of just doing your Venn diagram on paper, we want you to practice using this graphic design website called Canva. So if you look, there's a link to Canva right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this in an incognito window so I can show you guys how to actually log in. You should already have an account through Google with your student account. If that doesn't work, try signing in, but it should be the same login information that you use to get into Rapid Identity, to get into Canvas. And typically it'll prompt you to actually go to Rapid Identity. Okay. So now we should be looking at the front page of Canva. Like I said, there are lots of different designs that you're welcome to play around with if you have an interest in this sort of thing. But for us, we can go ahead and click right here with the search function and just look for a Venn diagram. You are more than welcome to create a design and start from scratch, but using a template is probably going to be easier because they've already got all the shapes made for us. The problem is, if you look, they have some really fancy looking Venn diagrams with multiple circles. Some of them have 3, some of them have up to 5. We just need 2. And it does not matter which template you use, but I would definitely go ahead and look for one that just has 2 circles to keep things simple. Couple quick things about how you use Canva. First thing you'll notice is this is very small. Now, what I see a lot of you guys try to do is actually log in and try and zoom in with your browser, which is actually only going to make the image smaller and mess with the settings. So if you want to zoom in to see it better, come down here. You see where it says 51%? You're actually going to click on this, and from there you can make it a little bigger depending on what you need to see. Okay. I'm going to have move me up. You'll change the title, just call it Harlem Renaissance, Mother to Son, Dear Mama. And then the most important thing is that you include everything you need in the circles. So if we go back to that Canvas page, you'll see in this example, it says, tell things that were true only of the poem, tell things that were true only of the song, and then 2 similarities. In addition to differences, I want you guys to also tell us the tone, the mood, and the theme on each side. So when you do your Venn diagram, you're going to include the tone, the mood, the theme, and a difference. And then you'll do the same thing over here. The tone, the mood, the theme, and a difference. And then in the middle, I would like you to come up with 2 similarities, okay? Something that they have in common, 2 different things. Make sure we can tell which one is supposed to be which. Remember that tone and mood are going to be 1-word answers. Theme should be a full sentence. If you have any questions at all about making this work or what tone and mood are, refer back to your notes, shoot us a message on Remind. But otherwise, when you're done, you're actually going to come over here and hit share. And you can type out our emails over here. There's mine. And then remember, Miss Hanks is K Hanks. And again, if you guys have any questions about this, let us know. It should be a fairly simple assignment once you get the hang of Canva.